How to block or ban someone from your Facebook business page. In this video, you will learn the complete steps on how to block troll accounts that are trying to spam your Facebook business page. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record on how to do it and the fastest way on how to ban these troll accounts from your Facebook business page. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! When trolls target your business Facebook page, ban them immediately. This will prevent them from spamming your Facebook business page again. So now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedures or the screen record on how to do it. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to ban Facebook accounts from your Facebook business page. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing, tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.